Maintenance. Contrary to popular belief, concrete stained floors are not maintenance-free. They must be swept and mopped with a typical household cleaner on a regular basis. The amount of foot traffic will dictate how often to reapply wax or sealer. With proper maintenance, a stained concrete floor will last many years. The stained and sealed concrete surface provides a warm and comfortable appearance that's extremely easy to maintain and the perfect choice for high-traffic areas. Faux brick new canvas. Faux brick new canvas is a micro-topping that gives your concrete a fresh palette. It covers all the defects on the floor. It's a mixture of cement and fine aggregates designed to provide a smooth surface to floors and concrete countertops. It provides an excellent base for staining and scoring. New canvas comes in gray and white. The color you select determines the depth of color you'll achieve when the stain is applied. For application to green concrete, no resin is required, but the surface must be damp. For application to existing concrete, mix with faux brick resin. Mixing. To mix, add 1 gallon of faux brick new canvas to 3 quarts of faux brick resin. For larger areas, use 4 gallons of faux brick new canvas to 3 gallons of faux brick resin. Mix well until you achieve a creamy consistency. The mixture should be about milkshake consistency. Add more resin as necessary to achieve the desired thickness. You can cover approximately 250 to 350 square feet per gallon depending on the surface profile. Application. The first step is to prepare the concrete by cleaning it thoroughly. The concrete must be free of dirt, oil, grease, and coatings of any kind to produce a smooth surface. Using a clean mop, dampen the substrate with clean water. Then, use either a metal trowel or a magic trowel to spread the new canvas, making sure to push it up to the baseboard and into the corners. Spread the new canvas as thin as you can while covering the concrete completely. If you can see through the new canvas, the application is too thin. Try not to build up the new canvas. Apply as thin a layer as possible while maintaining a wet edge. Allow the first coat to dry before repeating the procedure. 2 applications are recommended. Staining. If staining the faux brick new canvas surface, consider creating a sample surface on which to test different rates of acid stains. We recommend starting with 8 parts of water to 1 part acid stain. Spray the stain using an SB28 pump-up sprayer. Using a brush, scrub the stain into the surface. Avoid allowing the stain to puddle, as faux brick new canvas is highly reactive and may darken more than expected. Limitations. Faux brick new canvas is not a heavy buildup product. Do necessary patching prior to applying faux brick new canvas. Always work the faux brick new canvas on a dampened surface and keep a wet edge. Allow the first coat to dry thoroughly before applying the second coat. Once the stain is dry, neutralize the surface by using faux brick concrete stain neutralizer. Mix the neutralizer as instructed and using a clean mop, apply the neutralizer to the entire surface. Using a floor buffer or brush, scrub the entire surface to neutralize and remove the acid stain. Using a wet-dry vacuum, clean the excess water from the surface. Follow this by mopping with clear water to make sure the surface is free from chemical residue. During the cleaning process while the floor is still wet, you'll get an indication of what the surface will look like when sealed. This is the new canvas gray, stained and clean before it's been sealed. Sealing and waxing. Once the entire floor is dry, it's time to apply the sealer. We recommend using either Art Creek product, DC 2500 or AS 3000. Both products are solvent-based acrylics with UV inhibitors. Sealer can be applied using a sprayer or a paint roller. It's better to apply the sealer in 2 or 3 light coats rather than to apply 1 heavy coat. These sealers dry to a very hard finish, thus protecting the stained concrete. The sealer application will bring out the colors in the stained concrete. What you see when you apply the sealer is the finished color. The hardness of the sealed finish allows scratches to show. Apply the polish to the entire surface using a clean mop. Overlap the application to make sure you cover the entire floor. By laying down a coat or two of liquid polish on top of the sealer, you create a softer finish, thus scratches are less prevalent. Apply 2 coats of sealer, then 2 coats of polish, and you have a great finish. Both faux brick acid stain and faux brick new canvas are easy to use. Just imagine transforming your ordinary concrete floors into beautiful surfaces and even works of art. Whether your purpose is to produce the natural look of aged stone or to reproduce a complicated color logo, faux brick concrete stain is unsurpassed in quality, appearance, and durability. For more information concerning faux brick acid stain and faux brick new canvas, call 1-888-328-9321 or 318-379-2000.